hi, babe. My husband is making breakfast while we go out in the snow. We're gonna go. Are you gonna come with us, babe?
No.
Why not?
I'm cooking.
Huh?
I'm cooking.
What are you making, Chef? Chef D Mac? What are you making? What is that? Bacon and what?
Bacon, egg, and sausage.
Bacon, egg, and sausage for breakfast. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm ready.
All right, girl. Let's
So
go. I'm gonna go in the front yard, and then hold on. Okay, we are out in the snow. Welcome to our channel, guys. If you have not subscribed yet, please make sure you do so. So today is the first day.
No, it's not the first day, remember?
No, first day of the snow for this year. Come on.
Yeah, I'm high over here.
Today's the first day of snow in 2024, and it's so beautiful. Where do you want to go?
Wait, we're gonna walk around here?
Huh?
We're gonna walk around here?
Yeah, we can. Let's go down the street and then back up. It's so beautiful out, guys. First day of snow.
Look, this is kind of slippery.
Hmm?
It's kind of slippery.
Wow.
Go.
So we're gonna walk down the street and then come back up.
Yep.
What you making there? Snowball?
Yeah.
You wanna show them? Ooh. Careful, don't slip. Alright, we're taking a walk. I'll show you guys how. Ooh, they're actually plowing. This is how it looks.
This is how my softball looks.
Your softball?
Yeah.
That's not a softball. That snow gets hard. Here's another one. They need to come. Let's go on the sidewalk, girl.
Alright.
We're gonna take a walk down the bridge.
Yeah.
So every time we have a snowstorm, we usually park a car under the bridge. So that way, we don't have as much of snow on it for us to clean.
Yeah.
All right, today is what? January what? 9? Yeah, 2024.
Yeah.
First snow of the year, first snow, first winter. Are you trying to get me, silly? Silly rabbit. Fine, get me.
Yeah.
Oh no. Alright, so this is where
Right now, we're in the snow, and when I step on the snow, it's like I'm sinking to the ground.
you're sticking to the ground.
Yeah, I don't know why.
How? I just hope they clean very good, you know.
Who told you that?
Well, they're cleaning the roads already. Guys, look how beautiful this is.
Yeah.
It's so white. How about you fall? Let's try, ooh, let's go in our backyard and we're gonna make a snow angel.
Snow angel.
Yeah.
Okay.
You make one? Oh my god, girl, what the? You're so silly.
I want in the camera.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Did you guys see that? Let me laugh it off for you guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying to aim my mom.
She's trying to hate me. She's trying to hate me and then
Yeah, I'm
it went
trying
on
to
the
aim
camera.
my mom, not you
Look
guys.
what she did to my jacket.
Huh?
Look what you did. You got the snow all over my jacket, girl.
That's how I'm supposed to go. Now I'm recording. Look who's the queen of the master.
The queen is here. Well, my hand is starting to get a little cold. I forgot to get my gloves.
So I'm going back into the house.
No, we're going to the backyard.
Okay.
We're gonna make a snow angel.
Wait.
We're not gonna make a snowman because my hands are already cold.
Okay. Wait, Mom. Remember last time when we made that video? My sister's first time going in the snow?
That was last year.
Oh, yeah. I was literally 4.
Yeah, that was the first snow last year.
Yeah, I'm literally 4 and now
Oh
I'm
my God,
6.
look at Daddy. Daddy. Look, peeking at us at the window. Hold on, let me.
AJ!
Can you guys see? Right here, this window right here. Didi, no, don't go there, please. That's the Angela. All right, come on, girl, let's go. Be careful. Off the street, Didi. All right, you ready to make a snow angel? All right, so how about you just go
Go in the middle?
in the middle, yep.
I'm in the middle.
Okay, turn around and just go ahead and fall back. You gotta make a big one. Dig in there, girl. Dig in there. Dig, dig, dig. You have to dig.
Am I digging good?
Let me see. You gotta dig your feet. You gotta dig your hands, especially your hand.
It's like I'm doing
Jumping
jumping jacks.
jack. Oh man, my hands are cold. Are you tired? It looks like it's coming down more.
Let's see. Snowball fight.
A snow what?
Snowball fight.
A ball fight?
Yeah. I'll make. First, we had to make our own space.
So we're using this as a tripod. And yeah, move from there, Didi. Move. Ball there. My hands are super cold. Oh my God, it's coming down more. We got great neighbors here. Our neighbors are good. Everyone's
Even
good.
I have a friend that's a neighbor.
Yeah, DeAndrea has a name.
2 friends here.
Yeah, what's
That's
the other one?
sister.
Victoria and who? Sophia? Sophie?
Victoria and Sophia.
And
Live
Sophia.
here.
All right, girl, let's go inside. My hands are freezing right now. The snow is still coming down, and it's so beautiful. What? What do you want me for?
See? Come in the film here. Look. I'll throw this at me. And I saw
You silly girl! You. What the heck? How dare you? You silly bunny! I missed it again. What the heck? All right, one more time. Gotta get it. Gotta get you. That's what you get. That's what you get for tricking me, girl. All right, listen. I'm going back inside. Daddy's making breakfast. I gotta go eat. Okay. No, leave that alone. All right, guys. It's too cold for me. My hands are frozen. I gotta go inside. Listen, I'm running out of breath. What? If you have not subscribed yet to our channel, please make sure you do. We love you guys. And yeah. Want to say bye?
bye. Wait, come outside. I'm not going to throw.
No.
I'm not throwing the snowball
No
at you.
more. Bye, guys. We love you guys. It's too cold. We are back in the house. I am ready to eat.
Had a
I'm gonna eat some breakfast. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Keep up with us, guys. We love you. Hey, that's enough. Thank you. Peace.